Hey there! Did you know hair oiling is a technique which is 5,000 years old? So relatively, in today's video we'll be discussing oils used in hair care products. There are many different oils that can be used in hair care formulations to provide various benefits. Here are some of the best oils to consider. Number 1. Argan oil. It is a great natural moisturizer that can help to nourish and protect hair. It is rich in antioxidants, vitamins and minerals that can help to strengthen hair and prevent damage. Number 2. Coconut oil. It is a natural conditioner that can help to prevent hair breakage and promote healthy hair growth. It is also a great source of fatty acids that can help to nourish and protect hair. Number 3. Jojoba oil. It is a natural emollient that can help to moisturize and nourish hair. It is similar in composition to the natural oils produced by the scalp, making it a great choice for all hair types. Number 4. Avocado oil. It is a great source of vitamins and minerals that can help to nourish and strengthen hair. It is also rich in fatty acids that can help to moisturize and protect hair. Number 5. Castor oil. It is a natural emollient that can help to moisturize and nourish hair. It also has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that can help to treat scalp issues. Number 6. Olive oil. It is a great source of antioxidants and vitamins that can help to strengthen hair and prevent damage. It is also a natural conditioner that can help to moisturize and protect hair. Number 7. Sweet almond oil. This oil is a great source of vitamins and minerals that can help to nourish and strengthen hair. It is also rich in fatty acids that can help to moisturize and protect hair. Overall, these oils are great choices for hair care formulations, as they are all natural and offer a range of benefits for different hair types and concerns. Which oils do you use in your formulations? Do let us know in the comments down below.